So guys, this video, I want to influence you. I want to help you to start trading gold, and I want to help you to make that decision. I know you have been like postponing, or you think gold is this an animal that is there to devour you or to devour your account, but I'm here to tell you that there are some three reasons that can make you start trading gold today. And these are the three reasons that made me shift from trading currencies to trading gold. Now, you need to understand that for you to realize something can work for you, you need to give it a chance. So if you're watching this video, I want you to have a positive mind that you will at least try to trade gold. And if it works for you, you come back to this video and you comment and say it worked for you. If you already trade gold, I want you to comment down below and tell me three things that you love about gold. It can be one, it can be two, it can be more than three. I want you to comment down below because we need to help each other. We need to encourage one another. And I feel that's the reason why I am on YouTube, for inspiration, for guidance, for teaching, training, anything that comes in between. So, my first reason why I would help, or I would tell anyone to try gold is because of volatility. I know majority of people stay away from gold because they think it is too volatile, but volatility, it is an advantage when you're trading. How is it an advantage? When something is volatile, it gives you less time. There's less time when you place a trade. Let's say I place a buy right now, and because the market is volatile, for it to hit 50 pips, 100 pips, 200 pips, it takes less time. So volatility, yes, there's a con and a negativity about it, and I will do a separate video, but today we are focusing on the good things. And I want to believe that gold being volatile has really helped me because it happens so fast. So it makes you be very, very alert, be very, very sober. And whenever you're analyzing, you can just keeping away from gold like 1 hour, 2 hours, a lot has happened. So volatility, it is the best whenever you're trading. For beginners, volatility is the best because imagine you analyzing a setup and then you're just targeting 10 pips, 20 pips. You can just put like that, and 1 minute candle, 5 minutes candle hit your TP. So for beginners, when your TPs are hit very fast, it encourages you. And the other thing that can go with volatility is that volatility helps make sense of take profit and stop loss. Now, when I used to trade currencies, I didn't see the use of stop loss because, and if you have been here for long, I kept saying I don't use stop loss because currencies, before even they give you 50 pips, it's like you're begging currency to give you 50 pips. It's like you're begging currency to give you 100 pips. I think that one, maybe it rains, I don't know what, but currencies, they were just mean with their pips. And when you ignore to put a stop loss, 3 days the market is not moving, it's moving 10, 30, 40 pips, and then one day maybe there's news event and then it just moves against you, and because you have not used stop loss, now you're in massive drawdown. Before it comes back, it is a whole back and forth kind of a thing. So with currencies, you're saying, this currency, they don't move fast. So there is no motivation of either putting a take profit or a stop loss. But with gold, the volatility helps you to put a take profit because you will leave your trade, go to the kitchen to take water or go outside to just breathe some air. And then when you come back, the market has gone 200 pips, you didn't have a take profit. So volatility has really helped me to be putting take profit, to be putting stop loss. If it is not volatility, let me tell you, I don't think I would be putting those two things because volatility is what makes it have sense. So once the volatility is settled, the second thing that I love, and I can encourage you to start trading gold, is gold is tradable even 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes. Let me tell you, it is so hard to trade currency on a 5 minute. Like, I tried when I was trading GBP USD, major currencies, major pairs, Euro USD. I would go shift to 5 minutes, 15 minutes, and it was not possible. Like I tried and I could not. So when I was trading currencies, I used to trade higher time frame, like 4 hour, daily and weekly. And it used to take so much time for me to get setups. It used to take so much time for me to get an entry, to have confidence. But now, when I shifted to gold, gold, let me tell you, like I can make money with 5 minute setup and it can give me 200 to 300 pips. That is crazy. I can trade using 30 minutes and it sets the whole day. Like it gives me the trend of the whole day. So when it comes to gold, for me, I feel like gold has a room for each time frame that you want. There are people who trade gold using higher time frame like daily and weekly and monthly, and they milk the market. They get massive profits. Now, if your preference is lower time frame, gold covers you. If it is higher time frame, gold covers you. So with gold, what you do when it is during the weekend, you just back test each time frame for your liking. So if you got a strategy, you start back testing 5 minutes with that strategy, see how it is giving results. You go to 30 minutes, you go to 1 hour, 4 hours daily. So at the end of the day, you will come to realize my strategy can work with 5 minutes. But I think that is one of the best things that I love with gold, because going on 5 minutes, if I start waiting for a setup, 5 minutes means each candle is printing after 5 minutes. So I can wait for my setup like this, just waiting patiently for those candles to form. And once those candles forms, I am so excited because why? Number one, I will be able to I'll be able to trade in and I will be able to make money. So imagine the volatility part of it, it's not limiting me, and then I can trade on lower time frame. Wow, that is the best. Now that, and I have so many things, but I just wanted to at least give you three things so that by the end of this video you're going to start analyzing gold. The third, and I can say this one, I think many people don't really understand how it works. But when you're trading gold, let's say you decide to trade gold today, you can have a target. Like gold is that metal, or that best friend who you can say, today I will make $200, today I'll make $500, today I'll make $1,000. So the only difference is the lot size that you're using. Do you know gold can give you any day, anytime. If it's early in the morning, if it is early afternoon, late afternoon, in the evening, gold can give you at least 50 pips. Even if you just do break and retest strategy, it can give you 50 pips. Like gold does not know how to range. Gold does not range. Even when you find a ranging part or a ranging section of gold, it is moving, let's say 150 up, 150 pips down, or 100 pips up, 100 pips down. So for me, because I know I have to get pips with gold, it is the best. Like there is assurance. The only thing now you need to be careful is to know the right side. At the end of the day, if you are on the wrong side, you will start losing money. So if you are perfect, if you have perfected your skill, if you have perfected everything, let me tell you, you can come, open your chart, and you're opening to look for an opportunity to trade. Like you're anticipating. Your anticipation is, today I have to make money. That is the best feeling ever, because gold rewards discipline. Gold rewards patience. Gold rewards someone who is rewards character. So it rewards discipline, it rewards patience, it rewards character. Now, when it comes to discipline, it's all about strategy. Your strategy, of course, discipline, strategy is rules. I cannot say I am having a strategy and then I go against the rules. So gold rewards strategy, which is discipline. Gold rewards patience. You can have a very good strategy, but the strategy is not saying when to close, when to hold, when to buy, when to take profit, or okay, when to avoid. Like those are the things that gold can reward, because it is so straightforward. If I do not want to buy, I am not buying. If I so patience pays. Let me tell you, the minute I have traded gold, the minute I close my position because I thought the market is ranging, 5 minutes candles, it can go 300 pips. Like lack of patience, you lose a lot of money with gold. And the last is character. Character is generally, like, I can categorize it as you as a person. So gold really rewards character. Character, it's, you have to have a very, very positive attitude. Don't come to gold saying, this thing is hard. Only few people make money. Ah, no, your character, like, I have to do back testing. Your character, in fact, is the bigger part in the pie. Like, I do back testing on the weekend. I at least stare at the chart 2 hours every day. At least I want to know what is. I read books, I read news, I want to do research on what is happening in the market. That is your character. So anyway, at the end of the day, if you attempt to trade gold today, you will be able to see, are you disciplined enough? Discipline is strategy. Do you have patience? Patience, we can say it's the level of how do you deal with money, because patience, you'll be tested your patience before you enter the trade, after you have entered the trade, when you are on drawdown, when you're losing, like there are so many reds in your chart, in your MT4 or MT5, and when you're making profits. So those four things, they will help you to know if you have patience. And the last but not least, guys, is the character. The character is the general, and majority of people, they don't want to put in the work. You don't want to put in the work. You don't want to back test. You don't want to stare at the charts. You don't want to look for those. How can you tell me you have not looked for gold for the chart the whole day, and you're coming in the evening to say, let me just look for an opportunity faster, faster? No, we stare at the chart since in the morning, afternoon, evening. Still, we have not gotten the opportunity because it has to align with our strategies. And when we get it, we have to kill it. So thank you so much for watching. I hope I have motivated you, and I hope I have made you change your mind. And if you were trading gold, I have encouraged you. So if you're watching this video and you have never tried to trade gold and you would want my mentorship program, that is starting on 8th of December. I have a 1 month Zoom class on December, the last class of the year. I'm so excited. That class, mostly I teach people my strategies, which you can trade cryptocurrencies, stocks, forex, and metals. And if you want a strategy that is diverse, you can trade it on stocks, cryptos, metals, indices, all those things, futures, whichever you want to trade. My strategies, they can be able to give you those results. I only charge $1,500. If you want a recorded course that you can buy immediately, start learning, it's $1,000. But if you want that class, no, December class, it is on 8th of December. I have to say it because we are in a new month and we are just 1 week away to start that class. So if you want it, you can just email me or WhatsApp me. I will leave my number down below on this video. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Until next time, it's bye for now.